Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to talk about mastering professional phone calls. So speak confidently and sound polished. So let's start our lovely lesson. Okay, so to begin with, mastering professional phone calls, in order to speak confidently and sound polished. So professional phone communication is a critical skill in business. Since the listener cannot see your facial expressions or body language, your voice clarity and structure become extremely important. First things first, the structure of a professional phone call. So, a successful business call usually has 5 clear stages. 1. Greeting. Start politely and professionally. Examples. Good morning, this is Sarah from marketing. Hello, ABC Company. John speaking. Good afternoon. How may I help you? Number 2. Introduce yourself. If the person doesn't know you, explain who you are. Examples. My name is Daniel Smith from Global Solutions. I'm calling regarding our meeting next week. I'm calling about the order you placed yesterday. Number 3. State the purpose. Be clear and direct. Examples. I'm calling to confirm our appointment. I'd like to discuss the project timeline. I'm calling to follow up on my previous email. Number 4. Discussion. This is the main part of the conversation. Useful phrases. Could you please clarify that? Let me confirm the details. Just to make sure I understand correctly, could you repeat that, please? Number 5. Closing the call. End professionally. Examples. Thank you for your time. I appreciate your help. I look forward to speaking with you again. Final goodbye. Have a great day. Goodbye. Take care. Key phone communication skills. 1. Clear speaking. Speak slowly and clearly. Tips. Pause between sentences. Avoid speaking too fast. Pronounce important information carefully. Active listening. Listening is just as important as speaking. Use phrases like I see, that makes sense, understood, right. Clarifying information. If something is unclear, ask politely. Examples. Could you repeat that, please? Sorry, the line is not very clear. Could you spell that for me? Taking notes. Always write down important information, names, phone numbers, dates, deadlines, addresses. Handling common phone situations. When the person is unavailable. Examples. I'm afraid she's not available right now. He's in a meeting at the moment. Would you like to leave a message? Taking a message. Example. May I take your name? What is the best number to reach you? What is the message? Example response. John Miller called regarding the contract and I will call back tomorrow. Asking someone to hold. Examples. Could you hold for a moment, please? Please stay on the line. I'll connect you now. Example, professional phone conversation. Receptionist. Good morning, ABC Company, Lisa speaking. Hello Lisa, this is Mark Johnson from Tech Solutions. How may I help you? I'm calling to speak with Mr. Brown regarding the software update. Let me check if he's available. Could you hold, please? Of course. Voice tips for sounding professional. So, smile while speaking. Your voice sounds friendlier. Use a calm tone. Avoid slang. speak clearly, and confirm important details. And now it's finally time for a quick practice exercise. So complete the sentences. Number 1. Good morning. This is speaking. 2. I'm calling to. 3. Could you that please? 4. Let me the information. 5. Thank you for. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. If you enjoy my content, please hit the subscribe button. You can always do that by clicking just the small coffee in the right corner of my slides. So our next topic is going to be about 10 pronunciation challenges Arabic speakers face in business English. So please stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, and let's meet once again in another episode. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.